Hello friends and fellow woodworkers. I'm here to tell you about a way to improve your wood finishing. It's called the StopLoss Bag. If you're like me, you open a can of finish for each new project. But as we all know, the finish deteriorates in the can. If you save it in a StopLoss bag, it will perform better, longer. Simply pour out what you need for the project at hand. Without the StopLoss bag, the varnish thickens in the can. It doesn't flow as well on your wood surface. Eventually, and we've all seen it, the varnish skins over in the can. But there's a better way. A StopLoss bag gives you the fresh from the can varnish each time. It helps preserve the quality of your finish, saves money, and lessens your worries about the disposal of an old product. Once you pour out what you need, simply squeeze out the air bubbles in the bag and tighten the cap. With the StopLoss bag, you can use everything you paid for. Save money and get better results with the StopLoss bag.